Python 3.12. What's new and how to use the latest features? Python 3.12 has arrived. It brings new features, improvements, and optimizations that developers have eagerly awaited. This version aims to make Python more robust and efficient. Python 3.12 is a big step forward for the language. It has new syntax features and improved performance. Enhanced error messages and improved debugging. One of the most significant changes in Python 3.12 is the further enhancement of error messages. Python error messages have improved in recent versions. They now provide more detailed feedback to help developers quickly fix issues. New match statement features. The match statement, new in Python 3.10, has been refined in 3.12. It makes pattern matching more powerful and expressive. Better pattern matching. Python 3.12 adds new patterns for use in match statements. For example, support for mapping and sequence patterns has been added. New built-in str functions. Enhanced Unicode support. Python 3.12 includes improvements in Unicode handling for strings. This means better support for different languages and symbols. This is vital for apps that need to work worldwide. ZoneInfo module enhancements. Handling time zones in Python has always been a challenging task. Python 3.12 improves the ZoneInfo module. It makes time zone handling easier and more efficient. Updated time zone database. Python 3.12 has an updated IANA time zone database. It ensures you have the latest information for time zone calculations. Performance improvements and optimizations. Python 3.12 continues the effort to make it faster and use less memory. Several optimizations have been implemented in this release, contributing to better performance. Conclusion. Python 3.12 adds many new features and optimizations. They improve the language's usability, performance, and debugging. Better error messages and debugging tools help developers fix issues. Python 3.12 is a powerful update. It has improved pattern matching, new string methods, better ZoneInfo, and various speedups. Upgrading to Python 3.12 will help you write better code. It will be more efficient, readable, and maintainable. This applies whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting with Python.